Manual Book of LOCKTECH Installation. For the manual car, composed of equipment sets and tools. For the auto car, composed of the brake equipment set. Both types of car composed of Number 1. The clutch block. Number 2. Protector board. Number 3. Screw size M8 3 piece. Number 4. The dowel 6 set screw. Number 5. 3 piece of LOCKTECH key.
We must never stop.
Step 1.
Birds chirping and I hear my name. Grasping into a life.
At the base of the storage of airbag, there are 4 tables. At the right side, 2 tables, and the below left side, 1 table. At below 1, 2, and 3, the installation doesn't take out the old screws. Step 2. Taking the LOCKTECH to install on 3 tables. At follow 1, 2, and 3. To use M8 T-piece screw to standard.
Birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people.
The letter confirm with size to 12 mm when
We were young. For the animals we stand.
Step 3. To install the LOCKTECH protection board with the LOCKTECH sets, fitting with the screw size M1 piece and its 6 corner shaft to stand with the hand first, then confirm with the 5 outside when.
Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah,
Step 4.
let's all take a ride. Savannah,
Implement one more time before using.
we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
The suggestion of safety start installation. Number 1. The auto dash start with the key has connect with the commutator. It has rocket behind the both starter key. Number 2. The auto dash start by put spark plug. It has connect with the commutator by the safety start are behind the spark plug.
Birds chirping and I hear my name. Grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah. Light is gonna come. the birds have just begun.
The suggestion of the LOCKTECH using: Number 1. While parking the auto, the machine must have still working and the gear is in N or P position. Number 2. Using the LOCKTECH every time when has start for protect the auto losing and obstacle time solely by and chief. Number 3. Keep cleaning of the LOCKTECH key. The condition of guarantee. Number 1. Register and guarantee the product within 5 days by website fax and post to the address of head office. Number 2. The company had guarantee of 5 years since installation. Number 3. The company has offered to change new product to you if your product has damage from daily using. Number 4. The company doesn't responsible for the damage product from the long way using and the beyond affection reference from the substitution by adapting and the fall behind of the product using and the accident diving. Number 5. Other condition is in accident with the losing order.
ข้อห้าม Do not use the device while driving. Strictly prohibited.